Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and no, this is not some crazy cat rocket, even though that's what I have it labeled as in my phone. This is an automatic self-cleaning cat litter box by PetKit, and this thing is out of this world. It does not take a rocket scientist to put it together. I was so impressed with the simple instructions, step by step as you go. It gives you little reminders, making sure you're putting it together in the right way. And within minutes, I had this working, and it was not complicated. I could not believe my ears the first time that I actually saw the cleaning mode working. It's nice and slow and whisper soft. So that way, if you have a really timid cat, you don't have to worry about the noise of it or the speed of it startling them, and then they're scared of the cat box and never want to use it again. As a matter of fact, my kitty was actually curious about what was going on as it was cleaning, and she was trying to get inside to see what was happening. But because of the sensor on the outside, it would stop the cleaning as soon as she approached the box. So it actually took several minutes for the cleaning cycle to run because she kept approaching. And finally, she walked away and it finished the cleaning cycle. This cat box allows you to use an app to track your pet, how often they go, how much they weigh. It also tracks how much litter is left in the box, if the trash area is full, and if you need to refill any of the deodorizer. I really had no idea what to expect when we added this into our life. I was perfectly fine with my daughter keeping up with the cat boxes, but now I really can't imagine our lives without it. It is that much of an asset. And that's my point of view.